Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will be discussing about the deep learning project, how to face blur with Python and OpenCV. It is a lot of technique which already OpenCV giving us to the blur the face. I have already one model of the pre-trained deep learning. So how to blur on faces? You can see it. You can see the one picture of the Elon Musk and get the blur of the in front of the face. So it is very big challenge for us to how to create a one model of the AI on. So first of all, you can see the one going to the where you can download from here. It is easy. Otherwise, you can download. Go to the Git, cd the download the folder upgrade. Not need to necessary. It is only we use by the OpenCV. So I am opening my Sublime. You can see the open the Sublime and you can see the one simple file Python file, and I am also commenting one line by line, so it is very easy to understand the code. Here the requirement libraries: OpenCV, path, and directory, and join. It is Python libraries. NumPy number generating library is also a Python library. Computer vision, it is open source platform. So here is our model, pre-trained model. You can see deploy, protect, text, and deep learning model, cafe model. Okay, so you can see that both models will be in assigned the two path. Okay, so load the cafe model, read the image. You can see the image Elon Musk, and after Elon Musk, I will put my image also. So you can see Elon Musk and get the width and height of the image. Then you can assign the. It is not necessary. It is if you want to change the width height, you can also change the. You can change it from here. Okay, it is resize the subtract of the image. Okay, of the faces. Here one loop, get the confident how much percent faces will be detect, and blur in the on the faces. You can check it out here the this command. Okay, and one picture will be right of the blurred face. Okay, first of all, I am opening my terminal. Okay, you can check it out the previous blur image. I will delete it. So you simply Python file run Python and face blur underscore.py. You can see file will be created. I will just open. Okay, it's blurred. Okay, let's do it in my picture with my picture. Okay, my English not good. I will try my words to be delivered on your side. So here I will put my image, and so it's taking time. Okay, yeah, it will be blurred. Okay, so you can see it. My picture also will be blurred. So here is my original picture. You can check it out, my original picture, and you can see my blur picture. So I hope you like it. Any type of confusion, question, you comment down. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.